Relational calculus, domain and tuple calculus. What do we mean by relational calculus, domain and tuple calculus in DBMS? Hello everyone, I am Sukanya from GoEduHub Technologies, and in this video we are going to discuss about relational calculus, domain and tuple calculus. Relational calculus is a non-procedural query language, which means we not have to execute the queries particularly in SQL command line. In the non-procedural query language, the user is concerned with the details of how to obtain the end result. The relational calculus tells us what to do but never explains how to do. There are two types of relational calculus, that is tuple relational calculus and domain relational calculus. To begin with, tuple relational calculus. Tuple relational calculus is a non-procedural query language unlike relational algebra. Tuple calculus provides only the description of query, but it does not provide the how can we solve that particular method. It doesn't provide the methodology for the solving. Thus, it explains what to be done but not how to be done. In tuple calculus, a query is executed or expressed in such kind of format. Here T is the resulting tuple and PT is the predicate or the condition that are used to fetch the tuple. Now there are several conditions, that is in inverted E there exists inverted A for all, and this E belongs to symbol. Similarly, if here is an example of customer table having fields customer name, street and city. Customer name is having IDs such as Saurabh, Mehak, Sumiti and Riya and their street and their addresses. Similarly, there is a branch table having branch name and branch city, account number, name and the balance, and then the loan account number, name and the amount in the loan. Similarly, customer name according to the loan number, the depositor of the account number for depositor table. Now find the loan number, branch, amount of loans of greater than or equal to amount 10,000. So this is how the query is written. This is the returning tuple T and executing on loan where the amount is greater than or equals to 100. T amount is known as the tuple variable over here. So this is how the query is returned. Similarly, there are other examples. Find the loan amount for each loan where the amount is greater than or equal to 10,000. So this is query for greater than equal to. For other queries, you can refer to the tutorial mentioned in the website.